Hello folks, I'm just in Salou and I thought I would do a wee tour along the beachfront. So here it is. See, it's quite a nice beach. I really like it. It is kind of a nice day. I mean it is nice so far, but if you look at the back, there's clouds up there and I think they're heading this way. So, very quick bit of filming. Got a few things to fit in. I love Salou, it's really nice. I love how you get these trees either side. It's just a really nice place to walk. And it's very wheelchair friendly, it has to be said. I would argue it's more wheelchair friendly than Benidorm. The only bit that it's a bit difficult for Jacqueline, and she couldn't do it herself, is heading up to Chaplain's because it's a wee bit on a hill. Yesterday was an absolutely lovely day. It was really hot. It's really hot today, but a wee bit cooler, just a wee bit. And to be honest, I don't like it too hot. It's the shower facilities. It's a beach club bar. Playground for the kids. It's very family friendly, Salou. There's a lot of things for kids to do, especially a theme park, Portaventura Park. I did visit it. I stayed at the Gold River Hotel and I did film the hotel part of it and the Wild West part of the park, but I didn't film anything else other than the Ferrari land. Sorry, I'm needing a drink. But I thought it was really good. Only went on a few rides, but we did have a good time and Jacqueline really enjoyed it. And it was easier enough for her to get around the park. So I would highly recommend Portaventura Park and Salou in general. See, for families, I think it's hard to beat. I can see why a lot of families go here. And I can see why people would choose it over Benidorm. And I don't know if you can see my hand pointing, but see the right hand side of the coast there, from the pointy bit right round, and then further past that, there's a lovely coastal walk, and I filmed it, so you can check them on my channel.
Jetsetdan.
Oh, for God's sake, how are you doing? Aye.
Big fan.
Aye, there's Johnny and Ainsley and Travis.
Long time
I've been on my
watching.
fans, aye. How are you doing? You having a good time?
Having a wonderful time.
Aye,
Lovely
definitely.
day.
It's funny you should turn up just at that. Hang on. I was just saying that. Hang on, I can't see if you can see it.
Hello.
I was just saying how family friendly Salou is, and I bumped into a family I know.
There we
Aye,
go.
aye,
Proof
it's
is in the
very
pudding.
friendly. Aye, definitely. You're the second bunch of fans I've met. About 10 minutes ago I met some other fans.
Hey.
Aye, so it's good.
Amazing.
Aye.
Cool.
I was just in Tarragona there.
Aye, you said you were going there.
Aye. Went to the market, but it was like a food market, so there wasn't much there. So
Yeah.
I walked about. I got Jacqueline a wee hat.
Where's she?
Oh, she's in her bed.
Oh, is she? Tired?
Yes, what time is it? It's 1 o'clock, she's in her bed. I got a Queen Bee hat.
Hey.
See that? So what you up to today?
Try to get him to
I
go for a
wonder.
sleep, then go for some food.
Aye.
Last day here, so
Aye. Oh, enjoy
a
it.
chilled one, early night.
Aye. I'm just cramming in some last minute videos that I wanted today, so I thought, well, Jacqueline's sleeping, well, she's probably getting ready now, to be fair. I thought, I'll just run down here quickly, do 10-15 minutes and then back.
Oh,
You know
good.
what I mean? Aye.
Amazing.
I went and seen the ruins in Tarragona, that was quite good, but though you don't really get to see much yet, but it's quite good to see something like
Worth
that.
a wonder.
Because it's ruined, done it.
How far away
definitely.
was that?
Aye, true. 25 quid in the taxi.
That's
Aye.
great.
Aye. Well, that was my tip, so
Yeah.
aye, that was alright. But I'll get going and I'll let you do
Yeah,
everything.
up and down, try and get him to sleep and then find somewhere for food.
Yeah, but, well, if you want a wee game of mini golf later, give me a shout.
Oh, nice going.
Aye, there's one outside the
I'm not a fan of mini golf.
You know?
I'm shite at it.
Oh, no problem. See you later, right? Take care. See you later. Right, that was my cousin and his wife and their lovely Wayne, Travis. It was just by coincidence that they'd booked here at the same time as us. So it's quite good. We spent the other day with them and went out for something to eat and had a wee walk. So it was quite nice to bump into them there. Unexpected. I just heard, is that Jetsetdan there? I was like, oh, what the fuck? Oh, pardon me. I was like, who's that? Aye. So that was good. So, just carry on walking down here.
Yeah. Dad,
I think I'll walk right to the Salou sign and then I'll head back to the hotel. That is a good day. There's the fountains. I say it's a good day. I think it's going to rain later, but I'll just enjoy it while I can. Our favourite place, Spain-wise, is Benidorm, but I think we might come back here. Well, we will come back here. Probably come back here before Benidorm, I think. We'll wait and see. The thing is, Benidorm, I think, has got better hotels. I'll need to see. I'm going to do a wee video on that. If you want to see some Benidorm hotels, check out my main channel, Jetsetdan. Got all my different hotels on that. Get all sorts. Here in front we get the steakhouse, Rock and Grill, the Elvis statue, tapas, steaks, cocktails, beach club restaurant. So here we are, we're coming up for the sign. This wee sculpture pointing into the sky. I don't know what it's meant to be. I really don't, I've no idea. Anybody knows, let me know in the comments. So I come up for the sign and it's really kind of crowded. Maybe not as crowds, I think that's maybe 3, maybe 4 families. Just look at this view of the Mediterranean. Absolutely stunning. Makes me want to go back on a cruise. Anyway folks, that was a wee tour of Salou Beach. What do you think? Do you think it's a nice beach? How does it compare to other beaches that you have been to? I have to say, I think I like it better than Benidorm, the beach. Not to detract from Benidorm, which is a lovely beach. I'm not sure, I just think this one's got a bit more to do on it. So I know I really like it, it's a nice beach. So thank you very much for watching folks, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and check out my main channel, Jetsetdan. I'll leave a link in the description. Well, thank you very much folks, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.